Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Pull someone's leg. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. One day, my friend asked me to help him move his furniture. I said, "Sure, but I'm a bit busy today." He replied, "Come on, don't pull my leg." At first, I was confused. But then he explained that he was just joking and didn't really need my help. Pull someone's leg means to tease or joke with someone in a playful way. It has nothing to do with actually pulling someone's leg. So, if someone says this to you, they're just joking around. To remember the meaning of pull someone's leg, think of it as someone playfully pulling your leg, like in a game of tag. It's all in good fun. Let me give you an example. My friend said, "Don't pull my leg, I know you ate the last cookie." In this context, he's jokingly accusing me of eating the last cookie. It's a playful way of teasing someone. Fun fact 1: this idiom originated in the 1800s and was used in a variety of ways. Fun fact 2: it's similar to the phrase putting someone on. Fun fact 3: the origin of the idiom is unclear, but some suggest it comes from thieves who would trip their victims by pulling their legs. Example 1: I thought you were serious, but you were just pulling my leg. Someone is joking with you. Example 2: don't pull my leg, I know you're lying. Someone is accusing you of lying in a playful way. Example 3: I'm not pulling your leg, it's really true. Someone is assuring you that they're not joking. Sentence: I can't believe you fell for it. I was just pulling your leg. Rephrased 1: I was just joking with you. Rephrased 2: I didn't mean to trick you, it was just a joke. A friend of mine once pulled my leg by pretending to be a famous actor. I was so convinced that I asked for his autograph. It was a funny moment that I'll never forget. Similar expressions: put someone on, josh someone around. Opposite expressions: be serious, be honest. Related idioms: twist someone's arm, bend over backward. Let me tell you a story using the related idiom twist someone's arm. One day, my boss twisted my arm to work overtime. I didn't want to do it, but he convinced me. In this context, twist someone's arm means to persuade or convince someone to do something. Quiz time! What does pull someone's leg mean? A. To literally pull someone's leg. B. To tease or joke with someone in a playful way. C. To be serious. Answer: B. Pull someone's leg means to tease or joke with someone in a playful way. In summary, pull someone's leg means to tease or joke with someone in a playful way. Remember, it has nothing to do with actually pulling someone's leg. Use it to add a playful tone to your conversations.